Hi there my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you and show you how unique and wonderful this little table easel is by Meeden. So it weighs just 1.3 pounds in weight and it's tiny, but really does a great job with all different kinds of boards or sketchbooks, canvases, anything you want to throw at it really. The lip on it that holds the canvas or sketchbook or board in place is 1 inch in depth, so that's plenty of room for me because I don't normally use canvases any deeper than 1 inch. If I'm going to use anything deeper than 1 inch, then I'll move over onto my big wooden easel. So it's got a foldable leg at the back, so you can alter the angle at which the easel is standing. So just want to show you something. If you're working or wanting to work on something smaller than the dimensions of the bottom of the easel, you may want to just clip a little board in place as I have done there, and that way you can work on something really small such as this 7 inch by 5 inch wooden panel. So that's one way you can use it. And the little board there, the little grey board, was just picked up from the kitchen department of a local B&M. So just thought I'd drop that in there. Then if you're wanting to work on a sketchbook, such as this, 12 inches by 9 inches, that takes that great. If you wanted to open it out so you've got a double page spread, you could pull the little arms down to support it a little bit more. Then this canvas, 16 by 12, easily fits on either way, and again for more stability, especially if you're painting up in the corners, the top corners there, just pulling down those little arms just makes it more stable surface to work on. So the next canvas we'll pull over in a minute, so it's slightly larger, so again just moving the arms slightly, and an 18 by 14 inch canvas fits wonderfully too. And it really is stable. So if you're going to be pressing anything onto it, such as, working heavily with oils and you're pushing your brush in, maybe stippling or something like that, I'd probably put a sandbag or something quite solid behind the back easel leg, just to stop it from moving backwards if you're pushing a brush onto your canvas, stippling or sponging, anything like that. Big 20 inch by 16 inch canvas board, not a problem at all. And if you wanted to weight it down slightly and you are using a canvas board, you could always put a wooden board behind it, because that 1 inch ledge gives you plenty of room for a board at the back if you need to. So I hope that's demonstrated that it can take lots of different sizes of boards and canvases, sketchbooks and anything really that you've got in your studio, and to fold up it's as simple as that. Nice and light, easily fits into a rucksack or something like that. See you all soon, bye.